Okay, so basically I just created the head of Spiderman from clay. So three clay colors I've used. That's red for the head, blue for the eye outline, and yellow for the eyes. So basically what you're going to do is take a toothpick and surround it, create a shape like an with an aluminium foil, and with the help of that foil, over that foil you make the head with the red color. Now notice this requires a lot of practice. The first sample will not be this effective, your version will be different, but you have to practice many times before you can create a good head. And then after that, by using a simple tool, I've used the black color for the webs on the head, and you have to level them with the help of a tool like a pen or a pencil, so those lines and the webs are in alignment with the face. So is a lot of intricacies, so you have to work on these and separate the webs from the red head. Now this it took me about 3 hours to make this whole head. So basically it depends on the level of accuracy that you have, and the ability to focus about how many hours can you spend on creating. Remember, clay is an art, so you have to mold the clay according to your own requirements. So that's how it will work.